Hi all, Mark D here. Welcome back. If you haven't entered the Christmas Eve Blue Line Racing quarter mile event, I'll leave a link below in the description and you better get your finger out and get building. A Christmas build from a 70s, 80s or 90s Hot Wheels. I had a 37 Bugatti, I had a vision in my head. Christmas bonbon, here we come. CutRock'R team colours for this one. It'll be the Grinchmobile for me. Gee, in the final phases I had to rework this car all freaking day. I think my missus wondered what I was doing. Urgh. Not much time left. I better check out the details again, get the final testing done. The Bugatti rollout test from 1 1/8 inch height. That's about 14.5 feet rollout. So it rolls out well, but it's crunch time. Final testing for the Grinchmobile. Hang on, I better quickly check out the sending details again. The audio has just been censored. My error. Didn't quite read the rules enough, and black wheels are required. So yeah, there's a lesson to be learned. Make sure you read the rules once, twice, print them out, third time over. Had a perception in my head and ran with it, and yep, this is a fail, and I guess it'll look good on the shelf. Merry Grinchmas from me, and we'll see you out there somewhere. Take care all. Cheers, Mark D.